Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let us learn a Python program, that is, write a Python program to print even numbers using step size in range. So given the starting and ending range as input to your Python program, so your task is to print the even numbers using step size within the range. So that is the problem statement. So let us try to solve this. So let's take two variables begin and end. So let's ask a user to enter two values, that is starting and ending range. So let's say begin and use the input function call to ask a user to enter start range. Yeah, so once the user enters the start range, so it will be of a string type. So let us convert from string type to an integer type using the type conversion. So once we are done getting the starting range, so let's take another variable end and let's use the same function, that is input and type conversion from string to an integer, and let's say enter the ending range, that is end range. So once we get begin and end, so we have to print the even numbers within this range. So let us try to check if begin is an even number or odd number. So if we have the begin as odd number, so let's convert it into an even number by adding 1. So for that, let's use the if statement and check if begin is completely non-divisible by 2. That means it gives a reminder when it modulates with the 2. Begin modulus 2 is equals to 1, so that means it is a even number. So let us convert the begin to an odd number. Begin plus equals to 1. So this is the one time statement, so where we try to convert or check if the begin is an even number. So if the begin is an even number, so we'll not modify the begin. So if begin is a odd number, so we try to modify the begin to an even number by adding 1. Yeah, so once we are done adding 1 to begin, so let's try to use or try to print the even numbers starting from the begin to end using the step function. So let's try to print the user friendly message, that is let's use a print format or string format. Let's say even numbers from, let's give begin to end is, so let's give dot dot dot. Yeah, so now let us try to use the for loop with the step function. Let's use for number in, let's take range of, that is start, that is beginning range, begin comma end plus 1, and the step you have to use is 2. So generally the step size for printing the even numbers or odd numbers, so it is a 2. So the reason I am trying to use end plus 1 here is in order to include the value of end as well. Yeah, so now let us try to print the numbers, that is this value. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to print the even numbers using the step size in the range, that is using the range function. So let me execute this program and let me show you how it works. So executing the program. So enter the starting range. So let's give some odd number 13, and ending range. So let's give something like 30. So you can see even numbers from 14 to 30 is, so these, that is 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 up to 30 it has printed. That means we are trying to include the value 30. Closing it. So let me run this again. So starting range is, so let's give something like 40, and ending range is something like 50. So you can see even numbers from 40 to 50 is, so 40 it has printed, then we have up to 50, so including the starting range and ending range. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to check if, that is print the even numbers using the step size, that is 2 over here. So this is nothing but a step size we have given 2. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to print even numbers using the step size in range. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.